When creating a map that contains multiple points of data spread across a wide geographical area, you can use drill-down dimensions to display your layers with a selection hierarchy. This allows you to show different layers at different levels of detail within your map, ensuring that only the most relevant information is displayed. As you make selections in a drill-down layer, the dimension used for locations change to the next level in the drill-down hierarchy. To get started, go to Charts and drag a map chart into your sheet. Now let's create a drill-down dimension. Select Master Items and create a new dimension. Select the drill-down option. Drill-down dimensions should be ordered from the largest geographical area to the smallest. In this case, we select Region as the first dimension and City as the second dimension. When done, give your dimension a name and click Create. Now you can add the drill-down dimension to the area layer. Go to Layers, click Add Layer and select an area layer. In Dimension, add the dimension you just created. In Colors, choose to color your map by a measure and select Sales. In the Option tab of the area layer, set Visible drill-down levels to Custom and select only Region. This way, the area layer will display just the region level. Now let's add a point layer. Drag and drop your drill-down dimension onto the map and add it as a point layer. Next, in the Options tab of the point layer, set Visible drill-down levels to Custom and select only City. This way, the point layer will display just the city level. As before, in Colors, select the Measure Sales. Then, adjust other settings for the drill-down layer in the Properties panel. For example, under Size and Shape, you can adjust the point size using the sales measure. When done, exit the Edit Sheet mode. By selecting a value from the first dimension in your drill-down hierarchy, you will drill down to the values in the next dimension. In this example, selecting a region in the area layer displays the cities within that region in the point layer. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.